Canadian High Commission led by the High Commissioner, meeting with the leadership of the House of Representatives. The High Commissioner said his country has always enjoyed good relations with Nigeria and that they look forward to continuing that relationship.
So we very much look forward to reaching out with the various committees of the House of Representatives in the weeks and months ahead, with a view to identifying further areas where we may work together.
The Speaker thanked the delegation for its contribution to the recently concluded elections. He then sought their assistance in addressing the devastation caused by insurgency in the northeastern part of Nigeria.
If there's any leading role that Canada can play in not only combating terrorism in that zone, but leading efforts to generate funds which we can use on terms that are acceptable to international donor agencies to redevelop that zone. It's good for us to get our people off the ground in terms of providing, rebuilding schools that have been destroyed through the activities of terrorists, and then rebuilding communities.
This was an appeal he also made when he met with a delegation from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. The group said they were in the National Assembly in connection with some legislation such as the health bill.
We want to continue to support the government of Nigeria to ensure that these vaccines and this health care is brought to people who need it, and that women and children don't die of preventable diseases through a strong primary health care system. So this requires that you support the operationalization of the Health Act by gazetting the Act. So that's specifically the request for you, is to gazette the Act so that it can be put into operation.
One thing we want our international partners, development partners, to help in not only combating terrorism, but providing the kind of funds we need in order to redevelop that zone and then build schools, build medical facilities, cordon all those high lofty targets in the MDGs that unfortunately we were unable to achieve, and very soon the mandate is going to run out. So we still have that challenge.
The Speaker assured his guests that the National Assembly is committed to addressing the concerns of Nigerians and ensuring that Nigeria meets its obligation with the international community. Lanre Lasisi, Channels Television News.